Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. From coordinated factors to business to back, crypto is endeavoring to upset pretty much every market in presence. The game's business is no special case, and socios.com, controlled by the Chilliz token, is one of the key part in the blockchain sports area. As one of the main game-centered crypto new businesses, Chilliz is determined to change avid supporters from aloof watchers to dynamic powerhouses. As per its site, that's what the venture trust's energy ought to be perceived, and that each fan has the option to make their voice heard, any place they are on the planet. With an exceptional contribution and a lot of noteworthy organizations, the crypto got some decent forward movement in the market all through 2021. In spite of sliding in cost in mid-2022, the Chilliz (CHZ) coin picked up some speed in late March. Through April and May, negative opinion hauled the cost of the symbolic down. Numerous market declines, catalyzed by the destruction of Terra Luna and the fall of Three Arrows Capital, saw crypto battling, with the token reliably exchange under the 10 cents mark. Yet, what definitively does the crypto do? Furthermore, what could it at any point inform us concerning a Chilliz cost expectation? Chilliz (CHZ) crypto outline. Established in 2018 by Alexander Dreyfus, the Chilliz (CHZ) coin is a computerized money that controls the blockchain network behind the socios.com fan commitment stage. With over 20 years of creating and developing electronic organizations, Dreyfus needed to guarantee that when it came to Chilliz, it was critical to work harder than any time in recent memory on our central goal: to completely lay out fan tokens as a definitive fan commitment apparatus and as a strong new income generator for the game's business. On the socios.com site, token holders can decide in favor of their number one games clubs, as well as put resources into new games elements. Token holders hence have a voice with regards to simply deciding, which influences genuine groups and associations. Thus, sports and diversion elements can utilize blockchain apparatuses to adapt existing and new crowds. Utilizing CHZ, holders can purchase marked fan tokens from a scope of sports groups, including English Premier League groups like Arsenal and Manchester City, and top European sides, for example, Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, AS Roma and Atletico Madrid. Fan tokens have a limited stockpile and are group explicit. These tokens are presented on a first-come first-served premise by means of a fan token contribution, FTO. Impending FTOs are promoted on the crypto site. They are made accessible at a proper cost before they arrive at the commercial center, as per the crypto site. The fan tokens likewise furnish clients with admittance to a scrambled record of casting a ballot rights proprietorship. Moreover, Chilliz (CHZ) crypto tokens can likewise drive the blockchain network that supports the socios.com fan commitment stage. Investigating the Chilliz (CHZ) white paper. As indicated by the white paper. Chilliz, fueling socios.com, empowers sports and eat a swarm deal with their number one groups, games, associations and occasions. It's called revolutionary fan commitment. A general games and esport swarm control motor equipped for giving fans casting a ballot rights to direct a portion of their number one group's administration and system choices. Any association, any group and any game, acknowledged with blockchain innovation. The paper proceeds to say.
With Chilliz controlling the socios.com stage, fans can become powerhouses of any aggressive substance. Thus, groups, associations and occasions, from any edge of the games and esports world, can then adapt the fan interest for these democratic freedoms. Chilliz, CHZ, crypto past execution. Prior to flooding in cost in 2021, the Chilliz (CHZ) value neglected to pick up any speed on the lookout. For instance, on 12 July 2019, the intraday high CHZ cost was $0.01789, while on 27 September that very year, the CHZ cost hit its unequal low of $0.004001. What's more, by 7 October, the cost had risen marginally to an intraday high of $0.0051. By mid-February 2020, costs had risen humbly to around $0.014, prior to dropping again to around the $0.006 mark in March and April. Yet by mid-August 2020, costs really depended on around the 2 cents level, and by late December 2020, the Chilliz coin's cost had hit $0.028. All through 2021, in any case, the cost of the Chilliz (CHZ) coin soared. In March 2021, CHZ started to flood prior to hitting its ongoing all-time high of $0.8915 on 13 March 2021. Notwithstanding dropping all through the mid-year of 2021, the cost flooded again in September to an intraday high of $0.4495 on 6 September, prior to falling back to a low of $0.2437 on 28 September. The value started to climb again prior to cresting at $0.5935 on 13 November. This flood was maybe because of various variables, including the send-off of live in-game non-fungible tokens, NFTs, recently delivered fan tokens, a growing environment of accomplices, and late trade postings for CHZ. The value spike may likewise be connected with Chilliz's declaration in October that it would put $60 million in the tokenization of media, diversion, brands and retail. In any case, after this November top, the coin's value started to blur, shutting at $0.1751 on 27 January 2022. In February, the coin made a fractional recuperation, expanding to an everyday high of $0.2455 on 10 February 2022. Socios had reported that it had gone into an organization with the UEFA, which runs European football. The first crypto organization to cooperate with such a significant brandishing association. The organization, as per an assertion on Socios.com's Medium blog, will give worldwide authorizing accomplice status on Socios.com, making it an authority-authorized item, and the authority fan token accomplice of the UEFA Champions Association. Chilliz cost expectation well-qualified assessment. While expectations, particularly those taking a more extended-term view, can at times be totally misguided, they are as yet worth thinking about while inspecting whether the CHZ cost will go up or down. As a rule, a Chilliz cost expectation for 2022 will be more exact than a Chilliz cost forecast for 2030. Rather